Hey everyone, Marvin here from AI News Connect. Today, I'm excited to bring you a first look at a brand new AI tool that just hit the scene. Sora Video Generation, now available in public preview on Azure AI Foundry as of June 2025. Sora is an enterprise-grade text-to-video generation model designed to make video creation as simple as writing a prompt. With Sora, you can generate up to 20-second videos in full 1080p resolution. Whether you work in marketing, education, or creative content, Sora streamlines production, allowing you to choose landscape, portrait, or square formats to fit your platform of choice. Here's how to use Sora in just a few steps. First, log into your Azure AI Foundry account. Navigate to the Sora Video Generation module. You'll see a prompt box. Simply enter your desired video description, like a serene forest sunrise with animated wildlife and flowing rivers. Select your preferred aspect ratio, landscape, portrait, or square. Hit Generate, and within moments, Sora creates your video, ready for download or further editing. Image-to-video support is coming soon, so you'll soon be able to take your visuals to the next level by animating static images using simple prompts. Sora is perfect for rapidly prototyping marketing content, spicing up educational materials, or elevating your social media presence without the need for expensive production teams or advanced video editing skills. If you want the edge in AI-powered video production, Sora on Azure AI Foundry is the tool to watch. That's it for today's quick overview. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to AI News Connect. Share this video with your fellow creators and turn on notifications so you never miss another AI update. I'm Marvin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.